Sohan, it's great to be here with you at CommsConnect 2024. We met each other in 2018. We had an interview, and I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it's somewhere on the channel. Good to be back, good to see you here. You're here in a totally different position, and you tried to get a booth here, right?
We tried to get a booth here, Gert, and yes, we did meet each other 5 years ago. And that interview that we had together really went viral. And there's been a lot of sales. You did a fabulous job that way, and I need to really appreciate you for that.
Thank you so much.
But that said, we tried to get a booth, and I'm right now working for a startup company, which is in Berlin, headquartered in Berlin. I say it's a startup, but it's a company that's already started to sell mind-blowing AI products for ultra-early fire detection.
All right, that's good. So how do you combine that with critical communications?
Well, we not only sell sensors, but we actually build LoRaWAN networks, unlicensed or unlicensed spectrum, for our customers. And that integrates eventually to an LTE or a satellite network. And here I am trying to go and meet up with partners, possibly customers, to see how we can work together and save the world and bring down the carbon footprint.
Well, that's great. We talk about AI. AI is happening right now. As a matter of fact, GITEX in Dubai is happening right now, which is a great AI show. AI, they talk about AI next doors at an exhibition as well. So what is then the future? How do you see the future for critical communications and AI tools? How important is that?
See, many companies are working on AI at the back end, mostly on contact centers, on data centers. But what we have done is we have taken AI and we're using it at the edge to detect fires at a very early stage. So once it detects the fire during the smoldering phase, then we send it to our meshed gateway and a border gateway, which eventually sends it to a monitoring tool. So usually it takes couple of hours to recognize there's a fire, but then you already have disaster and it spreads.
And with fire, every second, well, just like
every
life,
second
every
counts.
second counts.
That's right. And our AI system can analyze the air and also the different components in the air and say, yes, there's a fire, and immediately we can dispatch a fire brigade. The control center can know, the rescue people can know, and comms network is very important to carry these data packets that are being sent out from the sensor. The good thing about our system is it's not only fire sensors that can use our LoRa network, but any other sensor that you have out there. And we are actually having a roadmap to do soil moisture, dendrometers. We're also having drones that eventually will be working on our network.
So kind of SCADA solution, right?
It's correct, yes.
Fantastic.
And there is no one in the world so far, I would say, that has actually thought about deploying AI inside the sensors on a solar-powered supercapacitor running on a LoRaWAN gateway. Maybe I just give you an overview and to the rest of the audience. It's interesting to know that around 20% of the global warming is caused by wildfires, and 80% of them is because of human-induced. So we're trying to solve that problem by going ahead and checking out that the fire during the smoldering phase. So you have satellites, you have cameras, and here is where Dryad fits in. So these are some of our solutions, and we build a network in the forest because we eventually want to be the AT&T in the forest to solve critical issues.
I can imagine big companies out there that are exhibiting here, but maybe, and others are very interested to integrate your solution into a complete ecosystem, right?
Absolutely. I've been having fabulous conversations with the like of Tate.
Can I buy some shares?
Absolutely. It's the time right now to do that. It's the time right now to do it.
All right.
We are growing. We are looking forward to doing good business over here in Australia and New Zealand.
Thank you so much for your interview.
And I thank
much
you for giving us some time.
I will see you back probably next year because
We'll
I
be
can't
having
wait
a booth
to come back.
next year, Dryad Networks, and thank you.
All right, thank you.